Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 legit CAPTCHA typing job websites, and the 5th website in the list is the best, and I even received the payment from them within 24 hours. So make sure to watch entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just open my computer and we are going to start. CAPTCHA typing job website is called ProTypers. As you can see, they are using exactly the same simple layout and they use exactly the same database like MegaTypers. And here you can see this website is good for stay-at-home moms, parents who need second job, students, and people between jobs. And here you can see that you can make from $100 to $250 per month with this website. And here you can see they are paying from 45 cents to $1.50 per thousand CAPTCHAs. And here you can see payments are made through debit card, bank check, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. And to sign up, simply click here on sign up. And as you can see, sign up page is very similar to MegaTypers. You need to add your email, your password, your name, you need to choose your payment processor. I will choose PayPal. And as you can see, minimum withdrawal is $3, which means you need to earn at least $3 before you ask for withdrawal. And PayPal fee is between 2 and 10%, and it will be dedicated from your account. You need to add your PayPal email, you need to confirm that you will not use any third-party software, and you need to click here I'm not robot and click register. After you click register, they will send you confirmation email. And after you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard, and as you can see, it's exactly the same like MegaTypers. You can see latest contests, 200 most accurate typers, you can see latest statistics, payout rates, and your success rate. And when you scroll here, and here you can set up your payments option. Just click here on profile and payments and set up your payments. And to start working, simply click here on start working. And here you will see CAPTCHA that you need to type. So this is second CAPTCHA typing job website on the list. Kolati Bablo. This is one of the oldest CAPTCHA typing job websites on the internet, but I have to warn you that they have really strict rules. And if you break the rules, they will ban you. And when you scroll here, you can see stability, they are found in 2007. Accuracy, liquidity, and instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems or send to another account, which means you don't have to withdraw your money. You can actually send it to somebody else. And when you scroll here, you can see some reviews, and to start, simply click here on start working. And to sign up, simply add your username and your email, and on your email they will send you your password that you should use to log in. And to log in, click here on login. After you log in, you will come to your dashboard, and here you can see you can work via web, via app, you can send money, track stats, referrals, and more jobs. And here you can see how much they pay for different kind of CAPTCHA. As you can see, reCAPTCHA is currently bid $1.10. Image CAPTCHA solving is 30 cents. Fun CAPTCHA $1.90. G-test CAPTCHA and H CAPTCHA is $1.40. And for some reason this website have their menu bar here on the right side, when most of the websites has menu bar in left side. So when you click here on settings, you can set up your profile and your account. And to ask your withdrawal, to ask your money, click here on finance and you can actually ask for withdrawal. Now you must do at least 500 CAPTCHAs in order to ask for a withdrawal. And as you saw, withdrawal are instantly, so you will get your money instantly, so you don't have to wait anything. And to start working, simply click here on start working. And here you can see time, and here you can see image that you need to, and here you can see CAPTCHA that you need to type, and here you can see some CAPTCHAs, loyalty, accuracy, and stuff like that. And that is how you do CAPTCHA job on Kolati Bablo. Third website on the list is called CAPTCHA Typers. Earn from comfort of your home, easy data entry work for all. And here you can see that this website is actually created 2009, which in internet age is considering an old website. And here you can see no investments, which means you do not have to pay anything. And here you see do not use third-party software. They consider that as a cheating, so please do not do that. Get paid. Minimum withdrawal is actually $1, which means you must earn at least $1 before you ask for withdrawal. And best paid CAPTCHAs are actually between 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. software time. And to register, simply click here on new user register. Fill up this simple form, your team name, your username, your password, confirm your password, click here I'm not robot and click on submit. After you confirm your email, you will come here on this page and this is your dashboard. But before you start working, you must click here on Employee Master. And you will come to this page, and here you need to create your employee ID. Simply add your employee name, your address, your username, your password, click submit, and you are good to go. And to set up your payment method, click here on payment and then click on request payment. And here you can see minimum payouts, and here you can actually set up your payment. Just choose one of these: Indian Bank, Perfect Money, Payza, Bitcoin, VSB Bank, Netter Payment, ADV Cash, and add your user details, and you are good to go. And you can start doing captchas and start making money with this website. So this is third typing captcha job website on the list. Second website on the list is called Mega Typers, and as you can see, their homepage is very simple, but they give very important information on their homepage. As you can see, they're paying between 45 cents and $1.50 per thousand captchas. And the payment methods are debit card, bank checks, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. And to sign up, simply click here on sign up. Fill up the simple form, add your email, your password, your name, your payment type. You choose PayPal, Western Union, Perfect Money, or whatever. Invitation code, don't worry, I will give you invitation code in the description. Click here to confirm that you agree with the terms of use. Click here I am not robot and click on register and confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard, and here you can see some basic statistics, how much they pay for 1,000 captchas, for 1,000 recaptchas, your precision rate, and to start working, simply click here on start working. And to change your payment method and other data, simply click here on profile and payments. And here you can see some basic information, and here you can see how much you're making per 1,000 captchas, and here you can see your payment details that you can actually change. And after you set up all of this, you can start working and start making money with this website. So this was second website on the list that you can use for typing captcha jobs. Third website on the list, and best in my opinion, is called 2Captcha. And here you can see work for 2Captcha. Home data entry work, easy instant payments, easy to start. And here you can see some statistics for customers, and here you can see statistics for workers. As you can see, payout rates are from 38 cents per 1,000 captchas to $1 per 1,000 recaptchas. So basically you can make from 38 cents to $1 per 1,000 recaptchas. And to register, simply come here and click on Quick Start. Fill up this simple form, add your email, your password, retype your password, solve this simple captcha, and click on Register. And after that, you will need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard. And here you can see your balance, how much money you earned, some current service load, and some other basic statistics. And to start working, simply click here on Start Work, and then click here on Start, and you will start seeing captchas that you need to type. And to set up your payment methods, simply click here on Payout, and here you can see payment options and minimum withdrawal for each option. As you can see, payment options are Web Money, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, ADV Cash, Uphold, Payer, AirTM. As you can see, fee is 0%, so there is no fees on these payment processors. After you set up all of these, you can start working and you can start making money with 2Captcha. So these are 3 legit typing captcha job websites where you can start working today. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.